Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have a Leslie 122 amplifier on my desk, and I found that it had a broken Amphanol input connector here. So I've removed the broken part, of course, and have already installed the new Amphanol connector. Now I'm installing the wires that go in there, and I've already put in, okay, I've inserted one and two. I have solder inside the hose. You can see it sticking out right there at the bottom. See, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make those connections solid, and then I'll insert these others and finish the job. All right, so that's what I'm doing today, and then this amp will be ready to test. I've already checked this cathode bypass capacitor. It's good, and so everything else is fine, but I got to fix that issue, and then I'll be ready to put this thing to test. All right, until the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.